Welcome, and from my heart to yours, thank you so much for being here today. My name's Amanda Sellers, and it is truly an honor. Today's affirmation practice is focused on eliminating, or at least doing our best to manage, stress and anxiety. Joe Dispenza says, "The hormones of stress make us feel separate from possibility of learning, creation, and trust. So with that, it's up to us, you and I, to soothe our souls with these powerful affirmations." I invite you to take a really deep breath in and exhale on the sound of ah. Ah. And as you release, just shake out anything you're holding on to. Just shake out your hands and even your feet if you want to. Just shake it all out. And then let's get settled. Sitting with purpose, have a strong back, a soft front. Relax your jaw. Let your shoulders drop. And repeat these affirmations either out loud or in your mind. Today, I will smile, breathe, and go slowly. I am here, right now. I am leaning into the unknown. I feel my heart space opening. I feel peace expanding. I wake up rested, rejuvenated, and ready for a new day. I go with the flow. I trust and soften my grip. I drop the heaviness of worry. I let go. It feels good to let go. I am healthy, I am healed, I am well. My essence is pure, radiant light. Today, I will make a conscious effort to look for the good. I will move my body today. I nourish my body with nutritious foods. Spending time in nature always makes me feel better. I know I am on the right path. Everything is going to be all right. I feel totally safe, calm, and at peace. I am loved, and I focus on self-care. I give myself permission to take a break. I feel centered and grounded. Despite any challenges, I will persevere. My life journey is beautiful. I can make the most of today. As I breathe out, I let go of stress. today I am releasing fear, worry, stress, and anxiety. My mind is clear and I am in control. I am unique, beautiful, and important. I am enough. I might even dance today. But I am for sure going to smile. And always return to my breath and focus on the now. Now take in a nice deep grounding breath all the way in, and just slowly and gently exhale. And when you're ready, open your eyes and feel the stillness and peace that you have created within. Go easy today. Go confidently and feel really good about this self-care that you have taken for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.